Hello guys, so today's video I'll be showing guys how to share your WhatsApp QR code and also how to scan other WhatsApp QR code with your mobile phone. So stick to this video and also share this video to your friends. Please don't skip this video, watch the video from the beginning to the end, and I hope you are going to learn something from this video. So first of all, what you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share this video. If you have any question, just let me know in my comment section. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. So when you go to your phone menu, what you have to do next is to search for WhatsApp. So as you guys can see over here, I have two WhatsApp on my device. I have the WhatsApp business and also the WhatsApp messaging app. So I'm going to use these two WhatsApp to teach you. So first of all, when you are using a WhatsApp business account, just log into your WhatsApp account or click on the app. So when you click on the app, this is what you're going to see. So when you see this, what you have to do next is for you to click on the three dots over here. So just click on it like this. So when you click on the three dots over there, what you have to do next is to click at the settings over here. So just click on the settings. So when you click on the settings, you are going to see this. So it will bring you here. So what you have to do next is for you to click on your profile. So when you click on the profile, you are going to see your profile. So go back. After that, go to this place. So just click on the QR code sign over there and it's going to load. And as you can see, it have finished loading. So what you have to do is to just scan over here. When you are using a different device, just use it to scan like this. You get me? So if you want to scan, you can scan this to use. So if you want to contact me, you can scan this. You get me? Yeah. So this is how to see your QR code, and also you can also share the QR code to your friends or with your friends on social media platforms. So that's how to share it. So just click on the share code. When you share, it's going to copy. You get me? So as you can see over here, you can share it to people on WhatsApp, InShort, Google, TikTok, and other platforms. So that's a short link QR code. So what you have to do next is let's go to this section, the scan code. So when you get to the scan code, as you can see, the camera is on. So which means this means you can scan anyone's WhatsApp QR code to chat with a person. So this is how to scan. So as you can see on my phone screen, scan WhatsApp QR code. So you can use it to scan someone's QR code. As you saw mine, you can scan it, and when you scan it, you are going to chat with the person easily without taking the person's number. Thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. So just click on OK to scan. So the camera is on over here, so you can use it to scan. You get me? So maybe this phone WhatsApp account, you can use it to scan. You get me? Yeah. So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and I hope you've learned something from this video. So we are going to meet in my next video. But wait, so for those using the WhatsApp messenger, what you have to do is just click on it like this. So when you click on it, it's going to open. So when it opens, it's the same process. So click on the three dots over here, and when you click on the three dots, you are going to see settings. So click on the settings over here. So when you click on the settings, it will bring you here. Then next thing is for you to click on the QR code over here. So click on the QR code over here. So when you click on it, it's going to load, and you are going to see this. So this is my QR code. Yeah, so if you want to chat me, you can chat me with this QR code. So it says your QR code is private. If you share it with someone, they can scan it with their WhatsApp camera to add you as a contact. So this is how it is. So when you scan this QR code, you are going to automatically, get my contact. It's going to allow you to get my contact for us to chat. And if you want to scan someone else on, just go to the scan code, and the camera is going to open as we did. So when it opens like this, use the camera to scan someone's QR code, and you are going to message the person easily with it. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. But as you can see over here, it says scan WhatsApp QR code. So this is how to do it. So that's the phone, and it's scanning other QR code over here. So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. So after scanning it, you are going to you are going to get a person's contact and chat the person. It's very easy. Thanks very much. We are going to meet in our next video. Bye bye.